Hey guys, what's up? Princess Benefit. Today we're just going to do another video, but maybe there'll be one. Yeah, there's gonna be another video later. And yeah, I know random videos is coming out. And the Clutch Clan just random. I wasn't actually gonna make that base, but you know, I just felt like it, and then oh yeah, I'm gonna make this into a video, and then yeah, I'm making videos not daily anymore. Hopefully, like literally more people like it this way. I think. No, I don't think. Yeah, I think. And yeah, um, maybe a opening chest soon. Like literally very soon. And yeah, this new epic raid boss, Earth and Spirit. What the? First 2-day raid. Oh my god. Are you kidding me right now? 300 special damage attack. I know. But how can you do this? Another 3-day raid? You gotta be kidding me. Another 3-day raid? I mean, no. Not 3-day. Another 2-day raid. How can you do that? Shocking. I know I haven't been being active in Nest Dragons for a very long time. Maybe I'll get back in the Nest Dragons giving points. Maybe getting the heroic mode for you guys because that's a new event, which I think I'm gonna make a video about it when I get like I'm gonna make a series about it, about how getting it, and then yeah, there'll be an oh my god, and yeah, so I'll be right back in another video, and yeah, peace out.